back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere because today I will do a grocery haul, and you hear me right. So I will show you what's our food for 1 week. So every weekend we will go to supermarket, and then we will go to buy our stuff or grocery for 1 week. So malalaman nyo dito sa video nito kung ano ang kinakain namin ni Jax for 1 week. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Because I've got Indian food again.
Okay guys, so let's get started! Okay guys, so first and foremost, my premium eggs. I have a premium eggs here. Ayan, 12,000 siya guys. Kasi ako lang nga namang nagbe-breakfast ng egg. Yan lang kasi talaga ang breakfast ko ay eggs, 2 eggs, and 1 coffee. So, ayun na yung breakfast ko before kami pumunta sa Jimmy Jack. So, Monday to Friday yun, guys. So, the next one is, I have a easy popcorn or warm natural. Bumili kami nito kasi naubusan na kami ng popcorn. So, every Wednesday, Friday, we have a movie, family movie. So, my brother, his fiancé, Jax and I, we have a movie night every Wednesday and Friday. It depends talaga. So we love popcorn every time we watch movie, guys. So the next one is one True Tea Iced Tea. So this True Tea Iced Tea is a low calorie siya. So ito yung wala din siyang sugar. Yan. Sugar free to guys, maganda talaga to. I think no added sugar siya talaga, only stevia. So ito yung mga iniinom namin kapag hindi water, iced tea. Etong iced tea. Ayan, etong iced tea. True Tea Iced Tea. Meron siya sa mga selected supermarket sa Philippines. So the next one is, okay, we have a soap here. So, Kojic with papaya. Soap yan ni Jax. Soap ko din yan. And then, the next one is ayan, takeaway garlic chili chicken balti. Ayan. Pwede siyang, iinit lang to guys. Kasi frozen naman to. Ito yung pagkain namin ni Jax kapag, depends kasi kung ano yung, araw, for instance, Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Kung ito kasi, instant na lang siya, iinit na lang namin to. Talagang hindi na kami talagang madami pang ingredients. Ito, instant na lang talaga. Tapos, itong isa is chicken korma. So, it's takeaway. It's from Iceland, I think. Let me think. Yes, I guess it's from Iceland. Tingnan to kasi pag may stove ka, pwede mo siyang i-reheat 5 to 10 minutes. It's up to you kung gano'ng kainit mo siyang iinit. Tapos saka mo siya pwede i-ano sa mga bread, sa toast, pwede siyang ihalo. Tapos ito recently lang to si Jax, yung cornflakes niya. Kasi ito yung breakfast niya. Dati oatmeal. Ayan. Oatmeal kasi dati yung breakfast ni Jax. Depende sa gusto niya kung ano yung gusto niyang breakfast. Iniiba niya yung mga variety. So, next guys, we are going to the frozen goods. So here we have a paratha. So it's a Indian flatbread. So mahilig si Jax nitong Indian flatbread. Tapos kasama nitong yung chicken korma niya. Para siyang curry siya guys, curry siya. And then yung chicken balti ni Jax, ito rin. Ayan. Yun lang. Medyo convenient kasi itong flatbread. Iaano mo lang siya sa pan, i-reheat mo lang siya. Tapos kapag uminit na, solve ka na. Tapos i-heat mo lang din itong take away na to guys. Very, very convenient. Okay, so the next one is paratha. Ano din siya? Flatbread din siya. So, ito yung mga kinakain namin ni Jax. Pwede rin siyang suitable din siya sa vegetables. Pwede rin siyang ipalaman ba, i-wrap ba. Tapos ayun nga, pwede rin itong i-frozen guys anytime. It's very convenient as long as you have freezer sa fridge nyo. Ayun, pwede nyo siyang i-stock doon. Kasi mas madam, ano siya, ayun yung kapalit ng kanin namin. Kapag hindi kami nagkakanin, kasi seldom lang talaga kami kumakain ng kanin. Though Jax, seldom din siya kumakain ng kanin. Pero mostly talaga plain bread siya or yung fiber na bread. Ayun usually kinakain namin. Saka yung mga mixed vegetables. So this is the whole meal naman to guys. Pero different naman siya na paratha. Plain bread din siya. Pwede rin siyang i-ano lang sa pan. I-reheat sa pan fry lang siya. So ayan. So the next one, yung aking squid bowl. Kasi usually guys, ito yung kinakain ko pag lunch. Ito lang, half lang siya na lunch. Kasi hindi kami kumakain ng kanin sa lunch. Tapos sa night time, hindi rin kami kumakain ng kanin. Talagang seldom lang kami kumakain ng kanin guys. Next one guys, ito. Talagang puro siya kikiam roll. So half nito, solve na ako for my lunch. Yun lang talaga yung lunch ko guys. Tapos yung siomai, ayan, minsan siomai yung kinakain namin for lunch ni Jax talaga. Yun lang yung mga frozen namin guys. Parang snack lang at saka merienda, diba? O, tapos this one is chicken lumpia guys. So, ayan. Minsan, ito yung kinakain namin ng lunch din. So, yung apat na yung pang lunch lang namin yun. So, kailangan namin tipirin yun for 4 days. Kasi on the 5th day guys, ay nag-aano kami. Nagte-take away kami. So, nag-grab na lang kami. So, yun yung cheat day namin. Friday. Pwede kaming mag-decide which food we will eat for that day. So, that's Friday, guys. So, Jax bought a bacon also. Canadian bacon. Kasi, maganda siya kaysa sa ibang, bacon. Ito, di siya disclaimer, guys. So, maganda siya kasi every Saturday, every morning na Saturday, nagbe-breakfast kami dito di Jax. Ito yung kinakain namin, toasted egg, bread, tapos ham. O, diba, bacon pala. Ayan, this is origin from Canada. Canadian bacon. Ayan, Canadian bacon. The next one is white cheddar cheese. Ayan, California. Pwede rin siya sa spaghetti, carbonara. Ayan, sa mga bread ni Jax. Tapos, meron akong chicken breast. So, chicken breast, guys, kapag may luluto ako, for instance, adobo, chicken curry, kasi yun yung niluluto ko dito sa bahay. So, adobo, chicken curry, it depends talaga, o fried chicken, kasi si Jax hindi siya ma-bones. So, I need to separate to buy a chicken breast for him. Ayaw niya yung mga kinakamay-kamay. Gusto niya kain, hate. Yun lang kasi si Jax. Tapos, next one again guys. Ayan, may takeaway naman. Ito naman, creamy butter chicken. Ayun yung iaano niya sa kanyang plain bread kanina na pinakita ko. So, Jax loves Indian food guys. Ayan, Indian food. Ito, sweet bowl lagi. Tapos, yung bones. Kasi ako, ma-bones ako sa chicken. Okay guys, so the next one, we have a dishwashing liquid kasi naubusan na kami. Ayan, Becca naman. Tatanggalin ko yung Baka naman, sponsor, bonus, sana all. Next one, we have a Yakult. So, this is Yakult. We have a 3 Yakult kasi probiotic siya. Ito yung iniinom namin, aside from coffee and tea, we have a Yakult kasi mahal dito yung tablets. yung capsule na probiotic. So, ito ay alternative siya para sa capsule sa meds ng probiotic. Yung Yakult, kasi meron siya probiotic ingredients. So, the next one is, we have a full milk, pure milk. Ito, kasi hindi mabubuhay si Jax pag wala siyang milk. So, ayaw niya yung mga nasa Tetra Pak, sa mga pack. Gusto niya talaga yung ganitong milk, pure milk. This is origin from Australia. Ayan, Devondale. Pure milk. Ayan isa sa mga milk ni Jack dito sa Philippines. Ayan, Devondale. Pure milk. So, the next one, we have the Pride. Ayan, Pride. Pride Becca naman. So, this one, we have a biscuit here, Presto. Meron kami nito every weekend kapag mag-grocery kami ni Jax, bumibili kami ng Presto. Kasi yung mga Lazada namin, yung mga rider na delivery namin sa weekend, Monday to Friday, binibigyan namin sila ng isang biscuit, diba? Siyempre, kasi naman nakakaawa naman sila, guys. Siyempre, kailangan magbigay din tayo, diba? Minsan-minsan lang, biscuit lang naman, pang merienda na nila yun. Tapos, this is my Sky Flakes. So, yung Sky Flakes ko, pwede ko siyang kainin sa snack. So, one Sky Flakes a day lang ang kinakain ko. Ito, every weekend dapat may isa akong pack na Sky Flakes kasi hindi ko rin naman siya naubos. Since 10 pieces siya, single pack, hindi ko siya nauubos kaya lang, 3 lang natitira. Well, sometimes 7, sometimes 5, sometimes 3. It depends naman. So, next one, Ribisco Crackers. So, ito naman yung snack ni Jack, Ribisco Crackers. Ayan, favorite ni Jack yan. Sabi niya masarap daw kaya bumibili siya every weekend namin pag nag-grocery kami. Okay guys, so the next one we are going to go to a canned goods. So ito yung favorite ko ay mackerel na San Marino. So sometimes ito lang yung kinakain ko kapag lunch. Ito lang talaga, as in isa lang ito. Or I will combine with a noodles talaga. Tapos ito lang, solve na ako for lunch. Ay lang talaga kinakain ko kasi wala kaming rice. So we don't eat rice. Ayan. San Marino mackerel. Beke naman. So, yung kay Jax naman, yung century tuna niya, ganyan. Ayan. Ito, favorite ni Jax yan. Century tuna light. Depende kung ano magkita niya dun sa grocery, pero most of the time, kinukuha niya yung century tuna. Depende sa taste niya. Tapos, ito rin, meron ako saba dito na pusit. Paborito ko yung pusit. Tapos, mackerel. Tapos, ayan na guys. That's the end of our grocery haul for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you learn something today, guys. Ayan yung grocery namin for 1 week. Ayan yung kinakain namin ni Jax for 1 week. So, in the Philippines. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. And mega love shout out to each one of you people of the universe. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for supporting my videos. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one.